Ever feel like everyone in programming is speaking a secret language? They're tossing around words like class and method. And you're just sitting there wondering if you missed a whole chapter somewhere? Don't worry, you're not alone. And no, you don't need to be a genius to get this. So let's talk about dogs. Yep, dogs, man's best friend, and now our best programming example. Imagine we're building an app for a dog adoption center. Each dog has a name, a breed, and a fur color. Some are tiny, some are super fluffy, and some have names like Waffles or Rocket. You know, the important stuff. All these details, name, breed, fur color, are what programmers call properties. Think of properties as the basic facts about something. They describe what it is. In the world of code, if you're talking about a dog, its properties tell you what kind of dog it is. But dogs don't just sit around looking cute. They do stuff. They bark, wag their tails, chase tennis balls, maybe even steal your socks. All those actions? In programming, we call them methods. A method is just something an object, like a dog, knows how to do. So while properties tell you what a dog is, methods show you what a dog can do. Now, if you were running a dog shelter, you wouldn't want to describe every single dog from scratch every time. That'd be exhausting. Instead, you'd want a basic template, something that says all dogs have a name, a breed, a color, and can do dog things like bark and eat. That template, in programming, we call it a class. A class is your master plan. It defines what every dog has, like name and color, and what every dog can do, like bark or eat. But here's the thing. The class itself isn't a real dog. It's just the idea of a dog. When you actually create a real specific dog, like Waffles the Golden Retriever, that's called an object. So, class equals sign the blueprint. Object equals sign the real thing based on that blueprint. Once you get that, classes, objects, properties, and methods, programming starts to feel a lot less scary. It's just real-life ideas turned into code. And don't worry, in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to write your own class in C# with all this stuff, so it'll really click. If this helped make things a little clearer, hit like, subscribe, or drop a comment to let me know. See you next time!